friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you the benefits of indoor plants or office plants. Moreover, I will also explain how Innovative Organic Agri India will help you to make your indoor or office plant more attractive and beautiful. This is my office and we all know that we spend major time of our lifespan in the office. So why don't we make our office more beautiful and attractive? Having the plant in the office will improve your creativity, it stabilizes your mood, it also gives you the fresh air which eventually make you healthy. You know, my dear friend, University of Technology, Sydney, Australia had conducted a study and found that an office space that was spruced up with plants having a lot of benefits, like 37% reduction in anxiety, 44% reduction in office hostility. Moreover, 40% reduction in chronic fatigue. Last but very important, my dear friend, if you have the plant around, it will reduce the depression by 58%. See, my friend, how much benefits we are getting by only having a couple of plants around us. So why don't we put at least 1 or 2 plants around your working place? It is going to benefit you a lot, my dear friend. Let me introduce you today one of our product, that is OGD11. This product is dedicated to make your indoor and outdoor plant more attractive. Moreover, it has a lot of benefits. First benefit is it will reduce the amount of water required, or in other way you can say it will reduce the frequency of watering. Second, it will help in reducing the evaporation of the water. Third, it will not allow any weed to grow. Last but very important, it makes your pot very much attractive, my dear friend. Right now what is happening, we are putting the indoor plant and there is a soil, sometimes this soil will come out and make your floor dirty. But when you are using this OGD11, it will make your flower pot very attractive. You can put anywhere, nobody will complain, and it will look very beautiful, my dear friend. And it has a lot of benefit. This is completely a natural ball. This is the product I am talking about. This is the product. This is OGD11. This product is developed for reducing the evaporation and making your flower pot very much attractive. Natural balls, and it has a life of more than 10 years. So if you are putting it today, then for next 10 years you will be rest assured that you should not go and buy again. Once in a year you can wash to make it more attractive, it should not look more dull. So once in a year you clean and keep using it, my dear friend. I will also show you. So my dear friend, let me show you how we use our OGD11. That decorative ball come evaporation controlling ball. You can see this is the flower pot and we used it here, and this is looking very attractive. If we are not using it, then the soil will be there and maybe some weed will grow up. But when you are using this OGD11, it will make your plant very much, especially not plant but the flower pot look very attractive, and eventually your plant feeling will emerge out, and it will make your complete flower pot very beautiful. Let me show you a couple of more plants. Here you can see this. This is the palm tree, indoor palm tree, and you can see the pot. We have used our OGD 11 here as well, and this is looking very attractive. No spillage, and flower pot attraction is more compared to having the soil only. So by using this decorative ball, it is the only very small step we can take. Just put in your flower pot and it will become very attractive, my dear friend. So today what I try to cover, I try to explain you the benefits of the indoor plants, how it is going to benefit you in different aspects. Moreover, we also explain you how good and how you can make your flower pot more beautiful and attractive by using OGD 11. Thank you very much, my dear friends.